They were making lava lamps today, so we had water bottles and we poured the vegetable oil on there, and they all noticed that it stayed at the top of the bottle. And then we dropped the food coloring in there to give it some color, and then we put the alka seltzer in there, which caused it to bubble up and look like a real lava lamp. And I think they really enjoyed it.
I heard it before, and I never did it before. When we had the food coloring, I like the frizzling when in the oil when it was frizzling.
I like watching it when it gets blue and stuff, and when the bubbles come up. It will make bubbles and stuff, and then you can watch the bubbles come up and stuff and make different bubbles.
It's good because you don't have as much pressure, and it's more fun, and it's more fun when you have less people doing it, so we can all take turns to do it.
The class sizes are typically smaller, so you get a lot more one-on-one small group instruction. And like one of the students mentioned, they get to work with the partners, and so they get to do a lot more stuff because there's not as many of them. And we don't really get to do many experiments during the year, but during summer we've done 2 a week since we started, and we have about 4 left before we end, and they really enjoy it. They get to do hands-on things instead of just reading about it, and they don't have to worry about taking a test or memorizing anything. They just get to see it and answer questions as we go along and record what they observe happens during the experiments.